Takeoff. Landing.
What's up, guys? Aircraft not connected to RC.
I turned it off.
It's connecting.
Wait, I turned it off for a second. I'm trying to fix the camera. Make sure the camera's good.
RC. Why did it turn off?
I'm just trying to make sure the camera.
Is it looking at you?
Trying to make sure the camera is functioning right.
That's a fail.
The other one was a pass.
Yeah, it just looked at me. It's because it's connected.
Move away from it.
Okay. Aircraft not connected to.
You can't get too close to an either, okay? Because it's dangerous.
Aircraft not connected to the drone. Power on and connecting to aircraft. Searching for aircraft.
I never powered it on, that's what I'm saying.
Okay. How about power it off and power it on? Din, 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 din. Remove the gimbal protector. Step 1, unfold the front and the rear aircraft arms. Step 2, remove the gimbal protector.
I already cut it on. Let's go cut it down yourself.
Is it connecting?
It should do it by itself. See,
There we go. So this is our drone. Why is the gimbal is moving like it? I mean, why is the gimbal is up? Why is your drone camera is up? No! Is it moving?
Is the screen still recording?
Yep, it's recording. And also, you just remove the gimbal protector and then put the gimbal protector is. How about we take off? No, the takeoff button is right in the side.
Take off. Home point updated.
Come here. Come here.
Okay.
Yo. You don't listen, bro. That drone could fall on you if it falls down. Don't get in the fucking way. It's stupid what you're doing. It's not smart. Well, you can see all the houses open. Oh, stop.
Oh!
You don't listen, bro. I gotta stop. I'm putting it down now.
No.
No, you don't listen.
Sorry, I was
Look how
about.
loud you are. You just too much.
I was about to record it.
It's already recording,
Oh.
isn't it?
Yeah. There's some flies all over here.
You about to get out of here.
Is
It's
it
too much
looking
fun.
at me?
Yeah. There's too much freaking flies here, bro. And we going over the house. Like the wind is taking this shit. Yeah, the wind is just taking this shit.
Yeah.
Now I gotta get it back home. Damn. Move.
H is for home.
Where? H is where? Yeah.
See that? It's the arrow. That means the drone is tracking from the GPS.
That's what you do.
Is it tracking?
I don't see this shit no more. Oh man, it's over the fucking trees. It's that way. I can't do it this way. Stop with me. I can't see. See it? Where did that shit go? This is why I don't like this. I can't see it.
What are you doing?
This shit is so fucking.
Yeah, go to DJI.
What's
It's
up?
this. Okay, so Daddy's drone is up in the sky. My dad's drone is up in the sky. Under it. I can really don't see it. It's up in the sky and showing our neighbor's houses. I don't know why it's doing that.
Can we put auto?
It's up in the sky.
Why I can't see down? Even like
There's that airplane. Can I still see the drone? I can't. See that? These are our houses. You don't have GPS tracking. It's tracking.
it's away from her. All right, now we coming back home. This is coming home.
It's coming back to our house. Still, we can see our baby. It's coming back home.
It's so high. Like,
Battery level is low.
Low battery.
Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds.
oh, it's gonna return home at the countdown. Yes.
Confirmed.
Return to home.
Tap. No, come home.
Mover odor lovid. Bro, where the heck is it going? It's not doing anything. What is happening? What is happening? Land. Return to home. No, return to
Landing.
home. Where is it going? It's returning to home. Daddy. Why did you press the land button? Why? Return back to home, please. Is it landing?
It's going mad far, bro. Look how far away it went. It's mad.
Can we return back to home?
How? That's how you do it? Oh, no.
Wait.
Just-
How about to tap?
no. Oh, you gotta. This how you do it.
Press to home?
Target flight is the one that's gonna fly. Yo, this nigga gonna just let me see what I'm doing.
Fine. Go press the H button on the. Are you not paying attention? Press it. Press. No. Press the H button is right here. And then return to home.
Return to home.
on the GPS.
I gotta go outside and get it because this is too far. I think it's out of restriction. I can't control it. So going back inside.
Okay.
Be quiet. You too loud. We gotta do this quietly.
It's locked. Don't worry.
Landing.
What are you doing? Close it. Close it.
I will.
Close that door. It's right here. Close it.
Okay. Where's it
Close the door.
going? Where's it going? I can see it. Look, it's up here. It's landing. It's landing.
Landing.
Quiet, man. You mad fucking loud.
I can see the drone. We did it. The drone is now safe now. It's safe.
Landing.
It says low battery.
This shit is all. Get off of that shit.
It's red. That means it's low battery.
Alright, get your recording. We gotta go inside. Too much for one damn day. That shit almost got lost. Because the wind, it's not strong enough. We need a stronger drone. This is like, it has to be not a windy day.
It's
It has to be a day when it's not very windy.
bro, and it got lost. It kept showing my neighbor's houses everywhere.
Is it still screen recording?
Yeah, I have to stop.